Magbangon ka kag ipadayaw ang Iloilo. Ang paghigugma sa aton nga dakpanwa sa kalibutan. Ipakigbato mo siya, ibayaw ang bandera. Sige halabira, Ilonggo ka. Magululog yun na, tipunon ang pwersa. Itipong ang kausa, Ilonggo ka. Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo.
Kita magapadayon sa pagpauswag sang aton syudad as we gradually recover from the pandemic. Maayong adlaw, ako ang inyo kaistorya. My name is Rommel. Isa sa pinakaapektado nga mga sektor amo ang mga negosyo. Kag sa sininga adlaw, kaupod naton ang Manager for Marketing and Business Development of Mega World Corporation, Miss Carmela Hesena. Ma'am, welcome sa Istorya Iloilo.
Maayong adlaw, Romel. Maayong adlaw sa aton nga mga viewers. Thank you for having me.
Sige. Ma'am, we remember that when we reopened our economy, we were aiming for a bounce back, no? Sa aton ekonomiya. How are the businesses sa Mega World Subong?
Well, actually, Romel, I'm very happy to share that Festive Walk Iloilo is actually bouncing back. Nami gitulupon nga ang aton mga mall goers nagabalik na sa mall. We are picking up in terms of foot traffic. Damo na ang naga-dine in sa aton mga restaurants. Kag dako gid na nga bulig sa aton man nga mga local entrepreneurs. Kag we are also very happy to see nga the Christmas spirit is finally alive, no? So everybody is in the parang spirit of giving and sharing. So mabatsyagan tagid ini subong sa aton nga mga malls.
Yes. Miss Carmela, no? Pero if we base it sa sales, dako gid ang difference ang mga previous months sa Subong?
Yes, actually, Romel, dako gid ang diferensya. Nagbatsyag gid ang amon nga mga mall tenants, ang aton nga mga business owners during the start of pandemic. But this months, naga-amat-amat na sila pick up and we are very happy also nga damo naman naga-reopen nga mga tenants.
Oh.
And even more new tenants are coming in our mall as of the moment, which goes to show nga ready na ang mga Ilonggos to face the new normal.
Gani. Sige. But Miss Carmela, we also could not deny the fact na may mga ara gid gyapon nga mga nahadlok gyapon magwa sa ilabalay, afraid to go to malls,
Yes.
afraid na mag-dine in. Ano naman ngang mga ginaobra sang Mega World Corporation, no, to regain the trust and the confidence of the people to go out and spend?
Yes, actually, Romel, that's also true because there is still a lot of Ilonggos who are afraid to go out,
Yes.
no? We cannot blame them, of course, very dangerous kid man ang aton nga situation subong. But as small operators in Iloilo Business Park, no, in Festive Walk Iloilo, we are really strict in our protocols. So we ensure that our mall goers have a safe and happy shopping, dining, and malling experience through our very strict protocols and health standards. Like upon entrance, they are still forced to do temperature check or
Yes.
thermal scanning. There's always a hand washing station in our entrances. Also, alcohol stations are everywhere inside the mall. And we still have social distancing ambassadors that remind our mall goers to practice safe distancing, no,
Yes.
all the time. From the escalators to the elevators to the entrances and stores. So in place gid ang aton nga mga safety protocols, Romel. That is our way to ensure that our customers are safe inside our mall.
Yes, and Mega World is also home to the finest hotels here in Iloilo City. So can you share with us kung ano naman ang ginaobra sang mga hotels nga to ensure the safety man of the people na gusto mag-check-in or for example magkaon sa mga establishment nga ini?
Yes, Romel. Actually, in Iloilo Business Park, our hotels are also back in operations and they're also bouncing back, no? So each of these hotels have also very strict protocols and they follow and adhere to our IATF standards. We are always one with our LGU in all the in compliance sa aton nga mga health protocols para ma-ensure ang mga hotel guests nila safe man. So yes, just like in the mall, they also do their temperature checking, their thermal scanning. They have sanitizers everywhere and their hotels are sanitized every night.
Yes.
So, safe gid katama ang mga hotel guests.
Gani. And ma'am, in Iloilo Business Park, we also make use of the QR codes no sa mga
Yes.
Stores na
Yes,
if
Romel.
people do not want to use pens
Right.
na
Yes, that's
gina-provide,
true.
we just scan the QR and then automatically for contact tracing ang
Yes,
mga
that's true, Romel. We also practice this no contact
Yes,
tracing.
yes,
No?
yes.
We already have QR codes all over the mall. So when the customer enters the store, nagascan lang sila sa ilang QR code. Very convenient through their handy phones, through their smartphones. Automatic na ang contact tracing details nila dira. Also, speaking of contactless, we also promote cashless transactions wherein the customers can pay using their credit cards or online para to avoid physical contact with the store cashier or the paper bills. No? So that's some of the ways lang that we ensure a safe shopping, dining, and malling experience sa Festive Walk.
And the restaurants and coffee shops are also very compliant no na may ara dapat ang
Mga shields and barriers.
Yes, and barriers.
Yes, definitely, Romel. We ensure you that the dining experience also is very safe and the protocols are in place. We are practicing a 50% nga capacity in all
Yes.
our restaurants. We also have acrylic shields, no? To ensure nga may arasang distance in between the
Yes.
customers. And our mall restaurant managers also are very, very rigid in monitoring that the tenants are strictly observing all our protocols.
Yes, no? So amo na bisan magwa ka sa inyo balay as long as ang ginakadtuan mo na establishment they follow
Yes.
the protocols, it's really safe.
Yes,
Sige.
agree, Gid Romel.
Sige. And what specific strategies no ang gin-conduct sa Iloilo Business Park para food traffic and all those things?
Now that we are slowly picking up and bouncing back, no, we are trying to adjust to the new normal. We also make sure nga it's not just it's a big change actually. So it's not madali to make our customers come back or regain confidence to our mall. So right now, ang among nga mga activities sa mall include some Christmas bazaars and Christmas fairs. That's also one way of celebrating this holiday season. No? It's a time for gift giving. Pero inaaman ang paagi namon sa pagbulig sa mga SMEs naton, mga small businesses naton diri sa Iloilo City, also quarantine-born businesses.
Yes, yes.
Ara sila sa mall naton subong for a Christmas fair. That's one way of helping them also bounce back. At the same time, that's also one way of attracting our customers that they have more to see in the mall. Of course, with a safe shopping experience.
Kag syempre, no, Miss Carmela, Christmas won't be complete without, shopping. No,
Yes,
dapat
that's
may
true.
shopping experience. So anong mga, are there upcoming promos or mga sales sa Iloilo
Yes.
Business Park?
Yes, Romel, I'm very excited because Festive Walk Iloilo this December has a lot of in store. For the mall goers, we have Christmas bazaars. We have the 12/12 sale this December
Wow.
12. So we have a lot of discounts in store. Also, may ara kita sa mga holiday specials, no? Some small activities, pocket activities from our dance groups here in Iloilo City. We also have a few art activities for those artists nga very excited na to go out no, and to participate. So we have a jam-packed December, but despite that, we really ensure that the customers, that the mall goers are safe at Festive Walk Iloilo.
Yes, no, thank you very much, Miss Carmela, for joining us today. And why don't you invite the Ilonggo community na mag-shopping sa Iloilo Business Park?
Yes. So, again, sa aton nga mga viewers, Festive Walk Iloilo is very excited to have you back in our establishments, in our mall. We ensure you a safe dining, shopping, and malling experience this Christmas season. Let's share the gift of love to our Ilonggo families and friends. No? Let's continue to adjust to the new normal. And I'll see you all at Festive Walk Iloilo.
Thank you very much once again. Kag amoyad to ang isa naman ka episode diri sa Istorya Iloilo, telling us that it is really safe to go out as long as we observe the proper protocols. Ako ang inyo ka-istorya. My name is Rommel. Kag ini ang Istorya Iloilo.